Hi guys, welcome again on this channel. My name is Moturayo. In the previous video, I shared with you how to draft a pattern for this beautiful milkmaid dress you see me wearing, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to sew it. If you've not seen that video, it is linked in the description box and somewhere up the screen. Go check it out. Let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is remove our pattern from our fabrics. Let's put our pattern paper aside and then bring our fabrics together, lining to lining and the main fabric to fabrics. Let's hold it together with our pin like this, and we are going to be ensuring that the notches meet. We take it to the sewing machine and sew like this. We are going to be using this lining as a guide, then we'll gather this bust part onto it. We'll take it to the sewing machine now, and here it is done. I've also added the band to it, and this is what the gathering part look like. And I've also gone ahead to take in the darts on the back pieces, on the lining, and the same thing on the fabric. I've also turned the neckline also. So right now we're going to be joining the front piece and the back piece together, sides to sides, with our 1 inch seam allowance which we gave it earlier in the previous video. We bring it together like this, right sides facing each other, and then we take it to our sewing machine and we sew. Ensure that the right side of the lining and the right side of the fabric face each other. I'd like you to go and watch that previous video in case you've not seen it. It will give you a better understanding of this video. So if you have enjoyed this video so far, please follow me and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And now when we are done sewing this, we have something that looks like this. So here it's done, and I've also given it a good press, and this is what we have on the lining and the same thing on the fabric. For the sleeve, I've gone ahead to add the elastic band for the top and also the wrist part. The next thing we're going to be doing now is to attach the armhole of the sleeve to the armhole of the bodice. We'll do it for both sides and take it to the sewing machine and stitch together. So that's all done now, and here's what we have. And the next thing we're going to do is attach the top piece to the skirt part to make it into a dress. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if there's any video you would like to see, please drop it in the comments and I would like to do it. Alright, so attach the skirt piece to the top just like you see me do, from one end to the other, and then we take it to the sewing machine and sew. Because this skirt is cut on a bias, we are going to be having a little bit of excess, which we are just going to be pushing in, just gathering it a little bit. At the end of the day, it may not really be obvious on the dress, but that's how we're going to do it. So here it is done, and we already have it in one piece all together. This is the dress, and the next thing we'll do now is to attach this invisible zipper to it. I'll go do that now, then come back and show you the finished look. So guys, here it is. Our dress is finished and it perfectly fits. Please follow this page, like and share, and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, I'll share with you how to make the hair scrunchies you just saw me wearing in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.